myself Samina Sultana from class 7. I am a student of Nur Academy Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to give a presentation about sewage and its harmful effects. So sewage is the waste water originates from domestic, industrial and agriculture activities. It is a mixture of water like human waste and other polluted things. The harmful effects of sewage are water pollution. Sewage can mix with the water and harm the aquatic animals and the ecosystem. Soil pollution. Sewage can mix with the groundwater and harm the growth of the plant. Air pollution. Sewage can mix with the air and release harmful gases. Human health risks. Sewage can cause a range of diseases for humans like respiratory problems, jaundice and many more. That's all. Thank you.